Yeah, so these two want nothing to do with each other. Um, this one has literally been hissing at Louisa anytime she sees her. And then Louisa literally was just about to beat Kaluka's butt. Oh my. You two. Guys, you've literally been living together for 2 weeks. You have to get along with each other sometime. Louisa, stop. I know it's scary living with a new cat. And Kaluka, you need to be a little more welcoming. Okay, if you two don't stop, you're having no treats tonight. Lulu, enough. Kaluka, it's okay. Poor thing's so stressed out, she's eating the plants.